Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to use Are you done? Alright. Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to use tags in Minecraft. Now I'm going to assume that you already know what selectors are through my say command tutorial. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then please check the tutorials page in the description below so you can be up to speed with everything I'm doing. So to add a tag to this ArmorStand, we are going to use the Scoreboard command. We're going to go Scoreboard players tag, and then we're going to pick what entity we want to tag. Let's go AE type equals ArmorStand C equals 1, which means the closest ArmorStand. Now, we want to give this a tag, so we want to add a tag, and then we can give it an arbitrary name. So, testOne in this case. And now you can see that this ArmorStand has a tag of testOne. The great thing about this though is that you can add another tag. Here's test2, and let's add test3. Alright, that's all well and good. Now what if we wanted to remove a particular tag? So let's remove test2, and as you can see, that tag has disappeared. So this ArmorStand now only has the tags of test1 and test3. Let's remove the tag of test1, and it only has the tag of test3 now. So you understand what I mean by this? Let's add back test2, and yeah, you can just add and remove tags just like that. If we try to remove a tag that doesn't exist, it will give us this error message. Entity didn't have the tag. And that's fine. We don't really need to remove tags that don't really exist, do we? So now I have set up a basic particle command using execute, and basically it's going to create a happy villager particle wherever there is an entity with a tag of test1. So let's go Scoreboard players tag AE type equals ArmorStand again, C equals 1, add test1. And as you can see, there's the particle effect right there. But what if we wanted to detect if there are two tags? So, you can't actually have two tags in the same entity selector. So what we do instead is that we use the execute command and the execute command again. Let me explain. So this time it's only going to play the particle if test1 and test2 tags exist on the same entity. So let's add the tag test1, and as you can see, nothing happens. However, if we add the tag test2, we see the particle effect, but if we remove test1 again and only have test2, you can see the particle effect stops. So you need both tags. So what we're doing, we're executing from all entities that have the tag of test1, and then we're testing with dy equals 0 if that same entity on the exact same location has a tag of test2. You can also use c equals 1 for this as well, and then only then will it execute that particle effect. And of course you can string as many of these together as possible. Finally, we want to detect all entities that have a tag of test1 and not a tag of test2. So let's go Scoreboard players tag AE type equals ArmorStand C equals 1, add test1, and as you can see, nothing happens. But when we remove test2, the particle effect starts playing. And to do this, we're using the exact same method we used before, but we're placing an exclamation mark in front of test2, which means we don't want to use that entity. And that's all I have for you guys today. Now, my recommended YouTuber for today is, I'm pretty sure you guys would have predicted this already, but it's Samosaurus6. So why do I like Samosaurus6? Because his videos are entertaining no matter what level of command block experience you are at. If you are barely knowledgeable in the field of command blocks, you probably won't understand some of the things he says, but the video will be, for the most part, quite enjoyable. And if you're an expert at command blocks, then you can still learn from him and still enjoy the video. I can say for myself that every time I watch a Samosaurus6 video, I feel like I have learned something, and that's why I'm going to recommend Samosaurus6. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys check out Samosaurus6, and if you like his content, please subscribe because, well, even though he's got more subscribers than me, I think he still deserves more support. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.